Welcome to Minexa.ai, the smart way to scrape software tools lists like the project management tools from Zapier.com. Minexa reads page structures automatically to build reusable extractors fast and easy. Navigate to the Zapier.com page you want to scrape. Minexa quickly finds the right structure for your data extraction needs.
Open the Minexa extension now. This is your starting point for extracting data from any web page in seconds.
Click the button that says, "I'm on the right page." Minexa will analyze the full page and detect the list of project management tools automatically. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa has identified how the site pages through results and will follow it every time to get all your data.
Choose whether you want to scrape only the list fields shown, or include full details from each tool's page for richer data.
Start by clicking Continue. Switch to Advanced mode if you need interaction steps to reveal hidden data on the page. Minexa highlights the detected HTML container of your data and generates a reusable scraper you can run anytime via extension or API. All detected columns are now identified. For this project management tools list, you'll see fields like tool name, category, and description, ready for consistent extraction every run. Developers can click the API request button to get code that handles multiple URL groups at once, returning all data in a single structured output. Validate and complete your configuration. No automatic fill-ins are done, so any missing fields will simply return blank to keep data accuracy. Pagination is locked in. Minexa automatically detects the next page button and will move through all pages to gather the full project management tools dataset. One last step before confirming: optionally set a schedule or connect Google Sheets to automate data delivery after each run for continuous updates. Hit run and watch as your dataset is generated instantly. Export your project management tools list to Excel, JSON, or Google Sheets for immediate use. This dataset looks the same every time it runs, with consistent values like tool names, categories, and descriptions. This reliability makes it perfect for automated pipelines or scheduled jobs that need precise, repeatable outputs. Click Export to download your data. Every value is pulled from the exact spot on the page, ensuring no AI hallucinations or incorrect data. Install Minexa and go from your browser to exporting clean data within minutes. Use the Chrome extension or API with the same scraper everywhere for seamless workflows.